अगेन आम्ही सदांच विचारीत आसा तुमकां की म्हापसा रवींद्र भवन केन्ना जातलें. आयज तुमी परती मिटींग चेअर केलेली आसा, आमदारूय आसा, सो केन्ना कितें आसा?
म्हापसा कोमुलदादीची नवी कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट जाल्ली आसा आनी कुचेलीम कोमुलदाद जी आसा पळय न्ही थंय रवींद्र भवन बार्देशचें सायट आमी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ली आशिल्ली, ताजें इन्स्पेक्शनूय आमी केल्लें आशिल्लें. आणि त्या संदर्भात माय डिपार्टमेंट, डायरेक्टर ऑफ आर्ट अँड कल्चर, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा, has written a letter to the Kuchelim Komuldad on 1st of August 2024, saying that तुमचे कन्सेंट आमकां दिवचो म्हणून टू गो अहेड विथ द प्रपोजल. त्या संदर्भात they have also written a letter to my department saying that we are going to place this matter before the General Council of the Komuldad and tadnantar we will convey our decision. Today we had a meeting along with the administrator of the Komuldad, the executive committee of the Komuldad, of the Kuchelim Komuldad committee, honorable deputy speaker and the MLA of the Mapsa constituency. जो मनीस फ्रिक्वेंटली ह्या रवींद्र भवना खातीर सातत्यान फॉलोअप करता तो म्हजो इश्ट जोशुआ बाब. आज आमी एक ठरलेले आसात की परत एकदां कोमुलदादीन आमकां कन्सेंट लेटर दिवचें. फॉर दॅट दे हॅव ऑलरेडी एग्रीड इन द मीटिंग. सेकंड थिंग, आय हॅव ऑल्सो गिवन अ डायरेक्शन्स टू द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ नॉर्थ झोन to process it on the topmost priority once they give a consent letter, and which will be moved from my department for the further procedure of land acquisition, that too under 334/3 of the Komuldad code. आणि तो नंतर आमच्या कलेक्टरान वतलो. कलेक्टर विल फॉरवर्ड इट टू द रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट. रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट will examine the proposal and government will give the nod or the sign to go ahead with this. This is the procedure we have to follow, we have to adopt. हो सगळं प्रोसिजर करपा खातीर we need at least 2 months of time. Actually it has been delayed by almost 1 and 3 months. Last 15 months डिले जाला आसा, that we have to admit. आता कोणाची चूक आसा, कित्याक लागून ते डिले जाल्ले आसा, दॅट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल मी टू आन्सर एट दीस मोमेंट. बट आमकां रवींद्र भवन बार्देशचें आमकां मुखार वचपाक जाय आनी त्या खातीर आमचे अंतोनंत आमचे प्रयत्न आसात. आय हॅव ऑल्सो मेन्शन फ्रिक्वेंटली टायम नाव एंड देन की बार्देश रवींद्र भवन इज द टॉपमोस्ट प्रायोरिटी टू माय डिपार्टमेंट. आणि ह्याच एंगलांतल्यान आतां कशें आसा, आमी अशें म्हणटात, लोक आमचेर फाल्यां सकाळी टिंगलांय उडयतले, क्रिटिसायजूय करतले, कितें म्हणून तुमी अशें कितलेशे फावटी म्हणटात. पूण जमीन इज द प्रॉब्लम. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज द लँड. दॅट लँड अजून पर्यंत फायनलायज जायना. तोपर्यंत माय डिपार्टमेंट ऑल्सो कॅनॉट टेक द प्रपोजल अहेड ऑफ द रवींद्र भवन. Let us hope and let us think in the positive direction so that हो जो आज आमची मिटींग जी आमी डिस्कशन केल्ली आसात अलॉंग विथ द एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी ऑफ द कुचेलीम कोमुलदाद, ताका आमी रिसर्वे करपाकूय आमी सांगिल्ले आसात. वॉट वी आर गोईंग टू डू इट विदीन 10 to 15 days प्रमाणे आमी लँड सर्वेक पत्र बरोवन ताजी सर्वे आनी ताजी बाउंड्री डिमार्केशन आमी करून घेतले. अनलेस अंटील टोटल प्लॉट जो पर्यंत आमच्या हातान येना आनी तोपर्यंत आमकां बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो ज्यो तांचो जो मोबदलो जो आसा तो आमकां मोबदलो दिवपा खातीर टोटल आमकां बाउंड्रीज पयलीं फ्रीज करपाक जाय आनी नंतरूच आमकां तो प्रोसेस आमकां मुखार करपाक जाय. हे आजचे सगळे काही डिस्कशन आमी आजच्या मिटिंगेक आमी डिस्कस केल्ले आसा.
जोशुआ खातीर मिटींग जाल्ली आसा, सो वॉट इज युअर फिलिंग नाव?
See, first and foremost, I would like to thank Honorable Art and Culture Minister Govind Gowde for getting us this meeting organized and being committed to the demands of not only म्हापशेकार but पूर्ण बार्देसकाराची डिमांड जी आसा. फाटले आमी इतलीच वर्सां पयलेली आसा की म्हापशेकारांक आनी बार्देसकारांक एकूच जाय, आमचो बार्देस भवन खंय जावचो आनी केन्ना जावचो तो. नाव दॅट वी हॅव आयडेंटिफायड द लँड, मंत्रीन सांगलां तशें काही वेळ लागलो. We don't want to pinpoint the blame on anyone. It is a matter of acquiring the land and then constructing the Ravindra Bhavan. It is not an easy job. The government of Goa, with the support of the Chief Minister, will be spending money to acquire the land as well as construction of the Ravindra Bhavan. आमका खंय तरी एक there seems to be some difference in terms of the land on the survey and the land on site. The land on site is more than what is showing on the survey. So त्या कम्युनिटीन रिसर्वे करपाची गरज आसा. So whatever the land parcel that is available, this is one of the cleanest lands available in the constituency of Mapsa. There is no encroachment. There is nobody on this piece of land. So that process saves us time for acquisition or the government procedure of acquiring this land. Again, I am very much committed, as well as the comunidad of Kucheli. तेंच्यांनी बरो support दाखयलेलो आसा. You all can also take their inputs for sure. It's a new committee. Almost 15-20 दीस झालेली आसा since they have taken over. So I expect all of them, as well as all the stakeholders of Kucheli Comunidad, to give their support and consent to ensure that this Ravindra Bhavan comes as soon as possible. Honorable Minister has been very eager. All terms was 2022 shuru zalalo, and ever since that time we have looked at two sites. One site was in the southern part of Mapsa as you enter, but I don't want to waste time talking on that. Current that site is not feasible anymore. This is the best site. It is located off National Highway 66. Bitar Bair Sarpa Khatir third वेळ लागतना. It's not even 200-300 meters off the national highway. So it's a very good site in terms of public convenience. लोकांक त्रास जावचे ना, कुचेलकारांक त्रास जावचे ना, कलाकार जे येतले परफॉर्म करपा खातीर तेंकां त्रास जावचे ना, पब्लिक ऑडियन्स जे येतले ते रवींद्र भवन वापरपा खातीर तेंकांय त्रास जावचे ना. So it's strategically one of the best locations that you can have a Ravindra Bhavan at. Again, my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Art and Culture Minister Bab Govind Gaude for all his support. I am very committed, as well as he is committed, to ensure that this project takes off within the next 6 months.
Especially on this Ravindra Bhavan. So, तुमच्या साईडच्यान कम्युनिटी साईडच्यान तुम्ही किती एश्युरन्स दिलेला आसा?
We Community Citizen, we asked what we would get, or what we would benefit, so that we can explain to our Gaonkas what we would get. So this is what reply they couldn't give us. They said that they would refer to the last land acquisition amount and then tell us approximately we would get this much amount.
Okay. So that is the only thing, or any other things are there that you have?
Other things are there in the change of zone. We have to write to the town and country planning. Then about the tenancy, we have to remove the tenants and all. So that we'll be doing it respectively.
But you all have, as a community members, you all have agreed to give the land.
In principle. Pertaining
to your decisions.
Yeah, so it depends on the general body. So the general body governs us. So we have to listen to the general body. So that is why we came here to see what the government would give us, so that we can tell the general body that this is what the government is giving us.